to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. You're on Vyroko channel. Hello, you're welcome. You're on Vyroko channel. So I'm about to cook. I want to share this recipe with you guys. It's an amazing recipe, a fast sauce. So this is fried fish. This is Barracuda fish. I'm going to be using it with shrimp. This is shrimp. I have washed it with salt and cleaned it. I'm going to be leaving the peelings. I'm not peeling it off. Yes, I'm going to cook it like this with the skin. It's optional. If you don't want to cook your own with the skin, you can leave it. So this is my Barracuda fish that I smoked previously. I'm going to be using some onions for this recipe. I have cut my onions, chopped onions. I have bell peppers here, chopped tomatoes, habanero peppers, green chili peppers. It's a fast sauce, yes. So I've already owned my. And then oil, any oil of your choice, guys. So I'm going to be using onion leaves, onion and powder, curry powder, okay, crayfish seasoning. So we're going to pour some oil in the pot. Pour some oil here. I don't want to use too much oil, guys. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to stir fry my shrimp. So I'll put my shrimp here. I'll stir fry it. Okay. I'm going to be adding some salt, white pepper. Then I'll remove the shrimps. And I'll start the sauce. So now I'll put the shrimp back later, guys. So now I'm going to add some salt and white pepper in the shrimp. White pepper, salt. You raise your stove, you high it a bit because we're kind of stir frying the shrimp first. When I finish stir frying it, I'm going to take it out of the oil. It's an amazing recipe. Here in this pot I have my rice. We're going to accompany this food with rice. You can use rice or pasta, spaghetti, anyone you prefer. So when I finish stir frying the shrimp, we're going to take it out. You just stir fry for a while. Then you take them out, yes, so that I don't want it to be too soft, so I'll just take it out. You take it out and then you start to prepare the sauce. Onions, use any onions. I'm using the red onions because I love red onions. So we're going to stir fry it a bit. Onion leaves. Okay, I don't know the quantity, just put according to what you are cooking. All the peppers, tomatoes, bell pepper, tomatoes, habanero peppers inside. I will leave the list of the ingredients in the description box, guys. If you are coming to this channel for the first time, you're welcome. You're on Vyroko channel. On this channel, I share my homemade meals because I believe we are what we take inside. I also share homemade remedies. Once in a while, I share the Italian cuisine. If you love what I do, please support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button, click on notification bell, That's what you see whenever I upload my videos. Thank you. So guys, I'm going to be adding the onion powder. Okay. Curry powder. Curry. Okay. About half a teaspoon or so, I don't know. Add according to what you are cooking. So this we are going to allow to simmer for a while. I'm going to cover it up, and then later I'll come to add the fish, and then I'll add the shrimp, and then we'll taste for salt. While this is boiling, I'm going to cover it now. I'm going to wash my rice and put it at the other side because we're accompanying this amazing sauce with rice. So I'll get the cover to cover it now. I'm going to cover it now and allow it to simmer while I go and wash the rice. Guys, I finished washing the rice. So though what I'm really preparing is the sauce, but I'm just showing you I'm also showing you the rice that I'm preparing. So let me lower the stove for the sauce. So I've washed my rice. I'm going to be putting some salt here. Okay. The sauce is so amazing. So if I need water later, I'm going to add water to it. So now I'm going to add my fish. You can use any fish of your choice. This is Barracuda. If you want to know how I prepare this fish, leave it in the comment section and I will do a video on how I prepared my fish. I'm going to be adding the shrimp too. I'm going to be adding some water. I'm also going to be adding my crayfish seasoning. I'm actually supposed to add it before putting the fish, but it's okay. I always have hot water in my flasks because when I'm cooking, I don't like adding cold water. So I add some hot water here. I add hot water, okay, to the sauce. So I'm still going to allow this to simmer for a while. I'm going to be adding my salt now. Add some salt. Be careful, don't add too much salt. Add salt according to what you're cooking. We'll cover it now and allow this to simmer. Let me just wait for it to boil. So guys, I'm going to take out my fish because I don't want it to get broken. I actually put it inside for the taste. So now I'm going to take it out. I'll put it back later when it's almost ready. I still want the sauce to dry up a bit. Let me give it a taste. We're almost there. So I'm going to wait for a while. I want it to dry a bit. I want it to be a bit thicker. Okay. So guys, I'm going to be adding the fish now because you wait for the sauce to be completely ready and then you can add the fish. So I add the fish now. Wait for like some minutes and then we're good to go. I'm going to give it a taste. Be careful that your fish does not get broken, guys. So I'm going to test for salt again. This is ready, guys. It's an amazing recipe. Give it a try. This is my rice. I'm showing you my rice because this is what we are eating with today. Please give this a try. Let me know. If you have any questions about this, let me know. But guys, I'm going to be leaving all the list of the ingredients in the description box. Like always, guys, I have come to the end of today's video. This is my fish shrimp sauce. Accompany with rice. You can accompany it with any pasta of your choice. Thank you so much for those of you that keep coming to watch my videos. I do appreciate. Leave me a comment if you have any questions for this video. And if today is the first time you're coming on this channel, join this family. From me to you, remain blessed till I come your way again. It's bye. Thank you. Thank you.